Hi guys, this is Harmeet from Divine Healing, and this is the full moon reading for whoever who sees this post. Uh, so the first card is that meditate and contemplate. It's new moon in Aries. This card also speak about dreams and romance of soulmate and poetry. It is suggesting that something new is coming your way that connects to the matter and that leaves you feeling uh, at times you feel very confused, or you are not able to decide what you need to go forward with the situation or the relationship, or you need to take a move back. But again, the angels are telling you a new romance is coming into your life, or either if you are already into a relationship, the spark or the love in the relationship may reignite in your, and for that you need to be open to giving and receiving love. Then Archangel Raphael is saying, leave a stressful situation behind. Even Angel Raphael is telling you that you need the courage and willingness to leave any stressful situations into your life. It can be any area of your life. It can be again related to relationships also. And for that, you know, to be in good and healthy relationships, or into good situations, you need to take care of your self, and you need to leave any situation or any issues you might be facing right now to overcome the situation. Again, if you are stuck in a wrong relationship or into something where you feel the things are not going your way, or the chemistry between both of you is not good, so again the angels are guiding you that you need to work on the relationship to make it work, and to so that everything becomes good, and whatever uh, differences you have, you get over it. And for that you need to take action. Without taking action, nothing could be done in your situation. Either it is related to a relationship, or it is related to any situations in your life. But if we see the overall spread, all the cards, see, they are so beautifully connected with each other. The first card is also guiding you about relationship. The second card is also guiding about it. Even the third card messages about relationship and bringing positive situations in your life. Even the fourth card is guiding you. If there are some issues, try to solve it and get over the situations. Okay. And the fifth card is telling, for anything you need to take actions about it. At times we feel, oh, let it go, let the thing unfold as with time they will unfold. But over here the guidance is that if you want to improve situations into your life, you need to take actions. And if we see the overall energy of the spread is about relationships, and it is not necessarily it is between two individuals only. It can be your relationship with your close people also. So thank you so much. If you like the reading, or if the reading resonated with you, please do post in the comment box. Thank you so much. And if you want any personalized reading sessions with me, you can contact me on my number 983 777 0092. Stay tuned for the next guidance.